At the edge of a forest, there was a peaceful green pasture where 3 cows lived, one black, one white, and one brown. They were best friends. They grazed together under the sun, played in the meadows, and slept close to each other every night. One day, a hungry lion passed by. He hadn't eaten for days, and when his eyes fell on the 3 healthy cows, his mouth began to water. He hid behind a big rock and waited for the moment when they would separate. But the 3 friends never left each other's side. Days passed, and the lion grew tired and frustrated. He realized, as long as they stay united, I cannot touch them. I must break their friendship first. The next morning, he approached them with a fake smile. "Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? I was just passing through this way and thought to meet such beautiful creatures." The black and white cows ignored him. They knew that lions never come with good intentions, but the brown cow was innocent and kind-hearted. She smiled and said, "Nice to meet you, friend. You are welcome here." The lion slowly began his plan. A few days later, he said to the brown cow, "Look at the white cow. Her color is different from ours. If I eat her, we'll all look the same. Then there will be no difference among us." The brown cow thought for a while and foolishly agreed. She distracted the black cow while the lion killed the white one. Days passed peacefully until the lion came again. He said softly, "Brown cow, now it's only you and me who are the same color. The black cow looks so different. Let me kill her too, so we can live together in peace." Once again, the brown cow agreed. And once again, the lion struck, this time killing the black cow. Now the brown cow was left alone in the pasture. She roamed around proudly, thinking, "I'm the only one left. My color matches the lion's. He will never harm me." But one day, the lion came again, hungrier than ever. He roared so loudly that the brown cow trembled with fear. "Today is your turn, brown cow," the lion shouted. The brown cow cried, "But I'm your friend. I did everything you said. You promised we were the same." The lion laughed crew. "Foolish cow. A lion has no friends. I was waiting for this moment." And before the brown cow could speak another word, he attacked and devoured her. True strength lies in unity, whether it's among friends, communities, or within a family. Just like the cows in the story, when we stay together with trust and understanding, no challenge can defeat us. But the moment ego, jealousy, or misunderstanding separates us, we lose the very power that keeps us safe and strong. A united family can face any hardship, but a divided one breaks even under small troubles. So always remember, where there is unity, there is victory. And the greatest form of unity begins at home, when a family stands together with love, forgiveness, and faith in one another. If this story touched your heart, type unity in the comments and tell me who is that one person in your life you'll never let go of no matter what. Let's fill the comments with love and unity today.